this video, I will unboxing a product that a big product, friends. So this is Keurig K-Do. Ayan, K-Do multiple brew 12 cup glass of CARAFE. Ayan. Ayan. Coffee maker. Mal, this is coffee maker?
Yes.
Coffee maker. So explain what's this, huh?
It's a Keurig. It's a K-Duo. What it is you have your regular coffee brewer, your regular on one side. Then you can use K-cups on the other side.
Wow. Duo. So, pangdalawahan, friends.
So if you're in a hurry, you can do the K-cup. If you're having a nice easy morning, you can just brew your coffee
Oh,
the
wow.
regular way.
And then the cup and CARAFE.
Yes, it has a water tank in the back that stores the water, so you don't have to.
Wow, galing. Ang galing. Okay, let's unboxing, friends. Medyo mabigat. Okay. I-unbox na natin. Ayan. Sharon. Manual. Uy. Wow. Sharon. So, nandito na siya, friends. Ayan. Oh, brewing coffee pot.
CARAFE. we're calling it.
CARAFE. It's big. Dad. Oh, Dad. Okay. Gandahan. Perfect. Wow. Oh. Ang ganda. Perfect.
And see in the back, this is where it stores the water.
Oh.
So you don't have to always put water in.
Ayan, friends, ang ganda. Ayan, pang mayaman. This is how much?
$99.
Oh, almost $100. Pang mayaman.
That's my birthday / Father's Day present to myself.
Yeah, my husband bought this for himself. Father's Day and birthday present for himself. Ayan, friends, ang ganda niya, di ba? Okay, let's take a look. Close up. Hi kay Frankie, the funky dancing flamingo. Frankie. Papalawin ko muna, friends, ang aking Frankie. Frankie Funky, the dancing flamingo, or Frankie, the funky dancing flamingo. for dancing. For my viewers, Frankie. So this is the product, friends. Ayan. 2 power on select pod single cup CARAFE drip coffee from 8 ounce to 12 ounce, from 8 cups to 12 cups, to power of hold. Ayan. We will use it now. Ayan, ang ganda. Hot water sharp needles. Ayan yung brewing cup yan. Ano yan? Brewing. Basta. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba, friends? So, ayan yung sa likod. Ilang ounce from ano? From 12 ounce siya. From 12 ounce. Good. That's the cup that we use there.
Yeah, you put it in here.
Yes, sir.
You put it in here, and then when you push this down, it opens, it pops a hole in this, and it pops a hole in the bottom, and then the water goes through. And this is good for single cups.
Ah, for single cups. Okay. Naman para sa water. Hal.
Yep, that's the water reservoir.
Oh. Ganda. So we will try it now, friends. Okay, friends. I'll be back. Thank you. So here it is, our coffee maker, friends. And we bought this on Amazon. Yeah, lalagyan ng mga coffee, classic roast coffee. That's the flavor. Yan, friend. Coffee machine. Ang ganda. Ayan.